Assalamu alaikum children. How's everyone doing? Now I'm not gonna ask how the fast is going on because today is the last fast that we are gonna observe and it's already Eid in many parts of the world. So whoever is celebrating the Eid today, Eidukum Mubarak. Kullu am wa antum bi khair. I hope we all had a wonderful Ramadan and we all had a wonderful time asking for forgiveness, standing for night prayers, doing iftars, doing suhoors, and striving to be a better Muslim. Inshallah, we all are going to continue for the rest of our lives. So today is the last story with the last hadith, inshallah, and I hope that we all have gained rewards by memorizing all the hadiths we have done till date. Inshallah, we all will be sending these ahadith ahead of us in the akhirah, and we will be sharing this with other people in this world for sadaqah jariyah. So, what does the last hadith say? It says, let the one who believe in Allah and the last day speak good or remain silent. In Arabic, it says, Man kana yu'minu billah wal yawmil akhiri falyaqul khayran aw liyasmut. Riwayah Bukhari. So today's story is going to teach us we either speak good or remain silent. And it also says that when you say something that you want to, then you get back to hear things that you don't want to. So without any further ado, let's begin the story and let's see what the story's got to say. Little Ramsey was taking food to his father who was working in the fields. He spotted a shadowy figure behind the rocks at the top of the hill. Thinking that it was another child, he shouted to him, "Hey!" A voice came back saying, "Hey!" from the hilltop. Not realizing it was an echo, he thought that another child was up there making fun of him. "Just wait and see what happens if I come up," the voice answered. "Just wait and see what happens if I come up." Ramsey got really angry and shouted at the top of his voice, "Come out and let me see you, you coward!" When the same answer came back to him, he started to run towards the cliff. Soon he was tired, but he couldn't see anyone there. He thought that the other child must be hiding somewhere else. He climbed up the rocks, shouting all the while. He thought about what he would do to that other child when he caught him, but that cowardly child didn't dare to come out. After a long time, he remembered his father. He must be very hungry by now. When he got to his father, he told his father everything that had happened. His father listened to him and reminded his son of a proverb. He who speaks whatever he wants hears whatever he doesn't want to hear. If Ramsey had known the following saying of the Prophet ﷺ, he wouldn't have acted in such a way. Let the one who believes in Allah and the last day speak good or remain silent. Subhanallah, that was such a beautiful hadith that we learned today. So basically, it says, treat others the way you want to be treated. The same way, if you're going to open your mouth, say something good or remain silent. It also goes for backbiting. If you are talking about somebody behind their back, make sure you're talking something good about them. Or else, it falls in backbiting or slandering, which is a huge sin. So children, Miss Ramadan is already very excited. How about you all? Have you got your new dresses? Inshallah, we all will celebrate Eid with Allah's blessings. And inshallah, while celebrating Eid, we all are going to pray for the less privileged, and we all are going to pay a visit to the orphanage, and we all are going to pray for our brothers and sisters across the world, not just in Palestine. Inshallah. So my beloved children, I had a beautiful time telling stories to you and memorizing all the hadiths along with you all. Imagine the amount of rewards we have gained during this Ramadan. So if you loved my videos, keep following my channel and subscribe for other interesting videos as well. We are going to have trivias, we are going to have quizzes, etc. in future. So I'm hoping to see you all again, inshallah. So Eidukum Mubarak, and may Allah bless you all. We all are going to miss Ramadan, and Miss Ramadan is going to miss you all.
Let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this.